Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to August. A weekend goes by and Malaysia has negotiated a gigantic turn in the road. The Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission is now being headed by former officer from the Attorney General's Chambers, Zulkifli Ahmad, replacing outgoing Abu Qasim Muhammad. Also, the National Security Council bill, which will grant the Council Chairman Prime Minister Najib the power to declare secure zones and execute extreme measures in those areas, is now in effect. Not to mention, the price of diesel went up by 10 cents. And yesterday evening, Selangor emerged as the overall winner in the Sukma Games, despite long-time rival Perak going home with the mother of all medals. The Selangor contingent took home 59 gold, 73 silver and 63 bronze medals, cementing their 8th overall victory in Sukma. Give it up! Congratulations for the best state, everybody! Okay, real talk. Time for a refresher course on this NSC and what it means for you. The National Security Council is an 8-member council comprising the Prime Minister, Deputy Prime Minister, Home Minister, Defence Minister, Communications and Multimedia Minister, Inspector General of Police, Chief of Defence and Chief Secretary. What can they do? The chairman, on advice of the council, is able to declare any area, including the entire country, a secure zone. And these secure zones will have something like martial law in effect. Security officers deployed to these zones are allowed to enter, search, evacuate, confiscate and destroy property without a warrant. The Council's purpose is to maintain national security and also for a way to implement and execute extreme measures when needed, such as when terrorism becomes a threat. Selangor, also known as the Best State's Legal Legislative Assembly Speaker Hannah Yeoh, has brought forward 2 amendments to the standing orders of the House this morning as the Selangor Legislative Assembly began their current session. Hannah's first proposal was to compel the opposition leader to deliver a speech during the sitting, amending the current status where the Speaker has no power to compel the opposition leader to speak in the State Assembly. Her other amendment goes a little like this.
Setiap wakil rakyat kita nak tahu selepas menjadi wakil rakyat, apa aset yang telah diperolehi, sama ada ia setimpal dengan gaji yang diperolehi. Ini adalah untuk mewujudkan satu environment yang lebih transparent bagi semua wakil negeri, ahli Dewan Negeri, supaya lebih accountable kepada rakyat di luar lah.
Attorney General Apandi Ali has spoken out about the United States Department of Justice's investigation into One Malaysia Development Berhad, and he has come out strongly saying that nobody will get away scot-free if they are implicated in the debacle. However, he also said that the matter is still under investigation here by both the police and the Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission. Previously, after the press conference in Washington by United States Attorney General Loretta Lynch, Apandi released a statement pointing out that no criminal charges had been leveled against those involved in the investigation. The latest update in the saga also leaves Riza Aziz and Joe Low in even more hot soup than before. Minister in the Prime Minister's Department Azalina Othman says that the Malaysian government is not directly involved in the DOJ lawsuits to seize the said 1MDB-linked assets. Thus, she believes that it is irrelevant for Putrajaya to be involved, including by sending legal representation for the Malaysians named in the lawsuit. She highlighted that while there is a Malaysian official one, the Malaysian government is not directly named in the lawsuit and are thus not obliged to act in response, elaborating that the case is a civil and private matter between the US government, who is named as the plaintiff in the cases, and the named parties, meaning that the state-owned agency needs to represent itself. Okay, we're done with that story for today. Stop thinking about it, it's only going to give you a headache. So do you think it's a good idea for Selangor State Legislative Assembly members to declare their assets? Or is it a waste of time? Let's talk in the comments. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and please share this video. I'm Daniel Anthony. Thanks for watching.